Hi everyone, Dr. M, and we're working on smoothing out our donut. And this is going to be a relatively quick process for us because we've already gone around and put some drips and spikes around our donut, and it looks kind of choppy and ugly looking at this point. Um, so this next step will go fairly quick. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to highlight our icing. So we're going to be working on our icing. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here so you can get a better look. And then we're going to go into edit mode. Now, if you look here, I've done one subdivision on this before using my mesh tools. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do another subdivision. I'm going to try and get some additional points, not just here, but also there's going to be extra points here. So it's going to start to allow us to smooth that edge all the way around. So I want to come over here to subdivision, subsurface subdivision approximation, and I'm going to click that one time. And that will add a whole series of subdivisions here. And if you look, we zoom in close, you can see that we have kind of a rounded edge starting right here. Just a little bit of a sharp edge. So that's looking close to where we want it. Now, we could try and smooth it by grabbing this and turning it a little bit. But what that's going to do is it's going to kind of eliminate some of that choppiness that we wanted, those bigger drips. So we're not going to do that part of it yet. I'm not a big fan of the smoothing aspect. I think I may have mentioned that before. I'm going to try one more subdivision, and that's going to put another series. It's going to split like a face like this into 4. So I'm going to do that one more time and take a look and see what we get. So now we're really rounded over well. So I kind of like how that looks. Now that's a lot of data points, but I bet when we zoom out, we look around, it'll look pretty good. So those drips kind of look really good here. So let's take a look back in object mode. And wow, look at the difference it made on our donut. So now we have a nice looking, smooth, almost natural drippy edge to the donut. And it's pretty easy to do with that subsurface subdivision. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. And you can do that, by the way, by pressing the A key, and that will get you back to kind of where you want to be. And right now, that's pretty much everything that you need to know how to do to smooth out those edges on your donut. The next step on this is going to be to add some sprinkles here. And I'm going to do that in the next video. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.